This is a question of average asked in UPSC CSAT exam 2020, right? So in a class there are three groups A, B and C. So there is a class, right? Suppose this is a class, okay, and there are three groups A, B and C, right? If one student from group A and two students from group B are shifted to group C. So one student from group A is shifted to group C, right? And two students from group B are shifted to group C. Then what happens to the average weight? We have to calculate average weight of the student of the class. So we have to calculate the average weight of the, this is a class, right? So this is a very easy question, but this is very good question because here they are asking about the basic concept of average, right? So like how the average works. So here we have to understand that, and many student was not able to answer these questions, and even if they answered, they are marked wrong answer, right? So how we will solve it? See, one student is shifting from A to C and two student from B to C. So surely the average weight of class A, class B and class C will change if we are calculating the individual weight of these groups, right? Group A, group B and group C. This is not class. Okay, so class is one only. In this they have three groups. So if we are calculating the average weight of the whole class, so it will remain same, right? Because according to the average formula, what we do, right? In the numerator we will write the average, the weight of each student, and the denominator will be the total number of student in the class. So these both things are remaining constant, no matter कौन सा स्टूडेंट कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है, राइट? सो the average weight of the class will remain same, but if the questions comes about the average weight of these groups A, B or C, that it will change, right? So the answer will be, it remain same. So option C is the correct answer, right? So I hope ये सबको समझ आ गया होगा. If you still have some problem, you can comment or call us and I will explain you this question individually, personally, right?